This switch goes to that right. There's a plug right there. Those little lights. And this switch goes up there. Goes up there. And then this switch goes to this light, which is my light. That's my switch dock and my TV. That's my piano. So it's just, I can put something like this switch used to that right there. And this switch goes to that fan right there, which is broken, so I don't want to leave it on for too long. That was a pop. Well, anyways, this switch goes to those lights right there. That's our toilet. And this switch goes to this light right here, which is our kitchen. It does not look like a kitchen completely.
I got one. I gotta go. It's okay. I got one.
That light right there. That's our TV.
Where?
Okay, so that's all the light switch. No more light switches. Oh, there's one right here, which is for something else, but we don't know what it's for yet. And that's it.